Hello, welcome to my video, introducing me Mohammed Taufik Ibrahim Cohort Cloud Computing Bangkit Academy. In this video, I will share my experience studying at the Bangkit Academy program, a program supported by Google, GoTo, and Traveloka to produce world-class tech talent in Indonesia. I will also explain how the 7 C's of communication help me to communicate effectively and increase my productivity. The 7 C's of communication are 7 principles that must be considered when communicating, namely clear, concise, concrete, correct, coherent, complete, and courteous. The following is a brief explanation of each principle and an example of its application in the Bangkit Academy program. Clear means that the message conveyed must have a clear purpose and be easily understood by the recipient of the message. For example, when I make a final project report, I must write the objectives, background, methodology, results, and conclusions clearly and in detail. Concise means that the message must be concise and not wordy. For example, when I have a discussion with my team, I should convey my ideas and suggestions in a short and concise manner, without repeating the same thing or deviating from the topic. Concrete. This means that the message conveyed must be concrete and in accordance with the data or facts that support it. For example, when I present my final project, I must show valid and relevant data and evidence to support my arguments and claims. Correct. This means that the message must be correct and accurate, with no spelling, grammar, or information errors. For example, when I write program code, I must ensure that my code is free of errors, bugs, or incorrect syntax. Coherent. This means that the message must be coherent and logical, with a planned and sequential flow and structure. For example, when I design my final project, I have to create flowcharts, use cases and scenarios that explain the process and functionality of my project. Complete. This means that the message must be complete and no important details are left out. For example, when I send an email to my mentor or lecturer, I must include a complete and polite greeting, subject, body, attachment, and closing. Courteous. This means that the message delivered should be polite and respectful to the recipient of the message. For example, when I interact with friends, mentors, or lecturers, I should use polite language, say thank you, apologize, or give compliments if necessary. By applying the 7 C's of communication, I can communicate more effectively and increase my productivity in the Bangkit Academy program. I was also able to build good relationships with my team, mentors, and lecturers. I feel that the Bangkit Academy program is very beneficial and has given me many valuable lessons and experiences.